How to enable two-factor verification on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to enable two-factor verification on WhatsApp. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open it up, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Go over to settings. And then from this, go to privacy. Now, from your privacy settings, you need to find an option for two-factor authentication. If you don't see it here, go back and go to account. Here you can find two-step verification. Tap on it. Then for extra security, you can turn on two-step verification. Tap and turn on down below. Now create a PIN. Now you can confirm your PIN here. And as you can see here, I've set up a PIN for two-step verification and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.